Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and okay. In this video tutorial, I'll try to demonstrate how to create your very first Android project using Android Studio. If you don't know how to install Android Studio, I'd suggest you to check our installation video, how to install Android Studio. Then you will be able to create your very first Android project using Android Studio. Okay, let's start Android Studio then. You can go to the search panel and then you can type Android, okay, Android, Android, and you can see just after installing Android Studio, if you click on this Android Studio icon, this will show up. Okay, this is the very first. Here you can see you can create a new project, or you can open an existing project, or you can get from version control, profile or debug, APK, okay, import project and import an Android code sample. Okay, and from here you can configure and you can check for updates. You can manage Android virtual devices manager. Okay, you can set the settings. Okay, you can import settings or you can export settings, and all other things are here. Okay, in this tutorial video we are going to talk about how to create your very first project, a new empty project. Okay, and right now we are using Android version 4.1.1. okay, in your case it might be higher. Let's create a new project. So click on the create new project icon, and here you will see project templates will be shown here. Okay, and project templates, so many project templates are here. Okay, so you can pick one of them, or tabs are there also, Android TV, automotive, Android things. So these are the templates that you can use. Okay, and you can start a project. These are useful project templates. In this tutorial video we are keeping our focus on an empty activity. Okay, selecting phone and tablet and then picking the empty activity project template. Okay, and clicking on next. Another thing you need to know that if you are going to or highlight another project, then you will see down there details will be shown, and the primary thing that you need to know about that project template. Okay, like if you are going to create an empty activity, it creates a new empty activity. Let's create this one, and here instead of my application we are going to give SOS, that is representing Scholars Online School. Okay, and here the package name, we are not going to change the package name because keeping it simple and default. Okay, and save location, here we are going to change the save location. Here by default it is, in your case it might be the system drive. Okay, you can change system drive to a specific location. Okay, like I'm doing it so that you can check how to do it. Okay, so we are not in system drive, we are in a different drive which is J, and within the J drive there is a folder named Android. Okay, within that folder there is another folder named Android project and projects, that means Android projects. Okay, here we are going to create a new folder. Here is an icon, click on this one and you will set the name of that folder, picking one. Which one? SOS, because the name of the project is SOS, so I'm creating a new folder. Okay, and selecting this folder. So we are in J drive, and then within the Android folder there is another folder named as Android projects. Within that folder a specific folder named SOS is there, and we are picking this right now. Okay, and clicking on OK, you can see here we are saving in a different location. Okay, and here you will have two options. One is Kotlin language, another is Java language, and to keep it simple we are using Java right now. And the most important part is setting minimum SDK or software development kit. Okay, by default Lollipop will not be selected. Okay, in your case it will be Jelly Bean. It will be like 4.1 Jelly Bean, but we are creating a standard one, so picking Android 5.0. okay, those who are using less than 5.0 they will not be able to access it, but the higher versions up to Android 11 they can access it. The minimum software SDK is Android 5.0 Lollipop, and we are not checking this box, use legacy Android support libraries. Not checking, it is not necessary right now. So this is it, and give the name of the project. Okay, package name will be set by default, keeping it as it is. We have changed the save location. Okay, instead of the system drive we have selected a specific drive. Out of two languages we have selected Java. Clicking on finish. You have to be online, okay, so that the Gradle sync can start. After these two processes, you will see folder structures will be displayed here, and you can also see another window. If you are if you are going to run this for the first time, you will see another window. Okay, there it will be displayed what is new in that version. This is the main editor window, and this is the project window. Okay, here you can, if you here it is written Android right now, so if you click on the drop down button, you will see different view options are there. Okay, different folder structures are there. So if you click on the project, it will be changed, and you can see it is organized in a different way, and these are the external libraries. Or if you click on the packages, you will see it will be displayed using packages. You can use these folder structures to manage your project. We are keeping it simple right now, so we're going to use the default one, Android. Here you will see it is structured in two different folders. The first one is app, and the second one is Gradle script. Gradle script is necessary to handle third-party tools or to handle dependencies. Okay, in future we'll talk more about it. Right now let's keep our focus on this app folder. Okay, the first one is manifest. You can see if you double click to open one file, this is a XML file. XML represents extensible markup language. Okay, Android manifest file, that means this is the configuration file. Okay, and this is the XML version. As you can see, the XML version is 1.0 and encoding is UTF-8. Okay, this is the manifest file, and here you will see the Android allow backup, and it is given true. So these are some of the defaults. So in this video tutorial, our focus is to run the emulator for the first time. Okay, and another important thing is the main activity window. Okay, the main activity window is within this Java folder, and the very first one you see example.sos. This is the main activity file. Okay, and it is currently open right now. If it is not open, then you can double click and then you can open it, and you can see package importing two files, Android app compact app, then app compact activity. Okay, and that Android operating system OS then bundle. Okay, we are importing these two libraries. Okay, and using this package example sos, this package, and we have, if you go here, you will see there is a class named main activity, and it is extending from this app class, app compact activity class. Okay, this is inheriting from this class. This is the base class, and this is the child class, the main activity. Okay, here we have a method named as onCreate, and here it will set a content view. It will set the content view, and this content view it is going to display out of the layout folder. Okay, and the layout folder is within the resource folder. Here you can see the layout folder, and within the layout folder only one XAML file is there, which is named as activity_main XML file. And here we are mentioning, instead of using the XML, we are using the activity.main. This is the file. Okay, and this file is already open here. As you can see, if you click here, you will see these are the files, and we have, within this file we have only one thing here, which is a text view. Okay, you can use different options from here. You can add different things here within this activity main XML file. Okay, only one thing is added right now, which is the text view option, and you can see this text view is collected from this palette. Here it is the text view. Okay, and you can just drag and drop from here to here. Okay, to use it. Okay, in future we will talk more about it, but right now I just want to check. I want to start the emulator. This is the design window. Okay, these from here to here, this is the design window. You can see this is the split window. This is the code part, and this is the design part. Okay, this is the view part. Okay, and this is the only code part. Okay, so this is the design part. So I'm going to the main activity window. So our focus is to start the emulator. Okay, if you are starting the emulator for the first time, then you can start the emulator. You can use this one, run app, but this time if you are going to click on the run app, then the app is not going to start, because you have to start this from the AVD. That means Android Virtual Device Manager. Okay, so you have to start from AVD, and you can do this also from the menu. This is the menu. Okay, so you can run app, but it is not going to start right now. we didn't start from the AVD. Okay, so to start from the Android virtual device manager, you can click on this drop down arrow and then you can select the AVD manager. Okay, and out of this manager, if you are starting for the first time, you will see a different window here. You will see Pixie, okay, by default, but we have deleted Pixie and we have added a new virtual device here, which is named as Nexus 5. And in our next tutorial video, we will show how to create a virtual device, how to create and add a virtual device. Okay, but right now, keeping it simple, I'm just starting it right now, but in our next tutorial video, I will talk about how to create a new virtual device according to your requirement. We have added a virtual device here that is named as Nexus 5, and we have used Android 7.1.1. okay, here in this scenario, this is the resolution and you have to download it. If you are going to add new device, virtual device, then you have to download it and then you have to add it. Okay, right now if you don't know how to do this, you see, you click on this drop down arrow and then you can go to AVD manager and this will show up, and you will see your devices. Okay, here it will be listed here, and then you can run from this button. Okay, if you click on this button, then it will be enabled. Okay, clicking on this right now, and you can see this is the device. Okay, this is our Nexus 5. Okay, and closing it right now. So this is the default one. Okay, so I just want to run this one right now, and in another tutorial video I will show how to add this emulator within this Android Studio altogether instead of keeping it separated. Okay, instead of starting it separately. Okay, let's test it. Keeping it here and keeping it here, and now you can run the app by clicking on this icon. You can click on this icon or you can run it from this run app. Okay, in this way you can start the app. Okay, so I'm clicking on this icon, so run app. So you can see here, you have to give it a little time. As you can see, this is the name of our project, SOS, and here it is saying hello world. You can stop it by clicking on this stop icon, stop app, or you can do this from the menu, stop app, or you can, even if you're a keyboard fan, then you can press Ctrl F2, okay, to stop app. So I'm clicking on this stop app. Okay, if you want to close this, then you can use this icon to close this. I'm closing it right now, so this is gone. If you are going to run again this one, then this will show up and it will show this one. I'm stopping it right now. Let it, okay, and then we can minimize it, and then we want to change one thing, like we want to go to the layout, go to the main activity. Okay, here you have, this is the text one. Okay, you can change this. We want to change the hello world. Okay, we want to write the name of our channel, okay, instead of hello world. How are we going to do that? You see, here you can see it will be separated. These are the attributes. Okay, this is the layout, this is the transform, common attributes. Okay, all attributes. Okay, you can do this in different ways. You can use the design one, you can use the design view, and you can set it from the attributes, or you can do it directly from the code. Okay, you can see here it is written hello world. Okay, instead of hello world, you can change it from here, or if you want to change it from the code view, or if you want to change it from the design view, then you can go to the test one and its related attributes will show up here. Okay, and then you can go to the custom attributes. As soon as you are going to open the you can set it from the common attributes. Okay, as soon as you are going to open, extend it, okay, or as soon as you are going to expand it, okay, you will see text hello world is written. Instead of hello world, what we want to add, we are going to add is scholars, SCHO, scholars online school. Okay, and we want to set enter. So this is done. As you can see it from the code view. See, it is written there. So you can also do this from here, okay, from the code view, or you can use the design one attributes, okay, from common attributes. Okay, let's see, we have done something. So I'm going to the main activity, and then I'm clicking on save. Ctrl S to save it, and then our app is here. Okay, we didn't close it, so running the app, and here this time you can use run, and then you can use to run the app you can use Shift F10. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not from the keyboard. Shift F10, you'll see it is showing success, operation succeeded, and you will see Scholars Online School. I hope that you have understood how to create your very first Android project, and I have tried to explain some of the things a little bit, and now you know how to start your first emulator, how to close it, how to start it again, and how to change the text, hello world text. Okay, if you don't understand anything, then I would suggest you to go back or rewind and check one more time. If you are facing problem, okay, then comment box is down there, so you are welcome to comment about anything, or if you are having any problem running your first project. That's it. I hope that you have understood how to create your very first Android studio project and how to run that app. Okay, so if you like our channel videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to check the descriptions, video descriptions. Okay, and you are welcome to check other videos as well. See you in the next tutorial video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.